Today we are going to practice connecting place value strategies to the up and down algorithm. We'll look at the example and do two problems together, and then you will solve the additional problems on your own to show your understanding. For our example, on the weekend 172 adults and 253 children went to the fair. How many people went to the fair on the weekend? We are going to add 172 plus 253. This problem is about people. How many people went to the fair altogether? That's what I'm trying to find out. I know I'm going to add because I'm adding the number of adults plus the number of children to get a total. So when I add 172 plus 253, I'm going to start in my ones column. I have 3 ones plus 2 ones, which equals 5 ones. Looking at my tens place, I have 7 tens plus 5 tens. That equals 12 tens. 12 tens is equal to 120. And finally, I have 100 plus 200, which equals 300s. 300s blocks are equal to 300. Now I'm going to add all of my numbers together. 5 plus 120 plus 300 is equal to 425. So 425 people went to the fair on the weekend. Now we can look at the next example, the algorithm. Once again, I start in my ones place. 3 ones plus 2 ones is equal to 5 ones. Then I move on to my tens place. 7 tens plus 5 tens is equal to 12 tens. I have more than 10 in one place value. I know when this happens, I have to regroup. I am going to take my group of 10 tens and move them to the hundreds place. 10 tens is equal to 100. I am left with 2 tens that stay in my 10 spot. 100 that I regrouped plus 100 plus 200 is equal to 425. So once again, 425 people went to the fair. Now let's look at problem 1. This is like the problem in the example. I'm going to add 124 plus 253. I will start with my ones column. 4 ones plus 3 ones is equal to 7 ones. 7 ones is equal to 7. In my tens place, 2 tens plus 5 tens is equal to 7 tens. 7 tens is equal to 70. And finally, 100 plus 200 is equal to 300s. 300s is equal to 300. I am going to add 300 plus 70 plus 7, and I will get the sum of 377. Now let's look at number 2. We're going to practice the algorithm together. 9 plus 0 in my ones is equal to 9. 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. That is more than 10. I'm going to take my group of tens and move them over to the hundreds place. 10 tens is equal to 100. I have 1 10 left over that will stay in my tens place. I have 100 that I've regrouped plus 400 plus 200, which equals 700. My sum is 719. I want you to complete 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 on your own. Please take a picture of the front and back of this page and turn it into Dojo. For number 3, you are doing the up and down algorithm. For number 4, you are using place value to add each place value and then add those sums together to get your total number. Number 5, you can use whatever place value method you find most helpful. For number 6, you're going to practice the expanded form. And number 7, you are going to practice adding 3 three-digit numbers together. Please let me know if you need any help. Thank you.